If labs can grow meat that tastes the same, has the same or better nutritional value, and the same or better texture while not producing any of these greenhouse gases, why can't people just eat the lab meat? That way people elephant grandma flower cute heart shirt. We can even pay the farmers and put the labs on their land and then make the rest of their land grow plants. It will keep them employed and the supply. Elephant grandma flower cute heart shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Elephant grandma flower cute heart shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. But we need to make it be. Relying on reducing carbon footprint only slows the process. We certainly need to do it, but not extreme measures like a family of 4 living in a 100 square feet mini house. But altering land management is much. Elephant grandma flower cute heart shirt. Just my 2 cents. But I think the distinction should be less about meat versus plant-based, and more about sustainability through localization. I'm personally a other product.